I'm Amna, and today I'm discussing about the Instagram for e-commerce, features and strategies. Instagram, with its visually oriented nature, is one of the premium platforms for e-commerce businesses to showcase their products and interact with the potential customers. Let's delve deeper into the features that make Instagram a powerhouse for e-commerce and how to utilize them effectively. Key features: Instagram feed, the primary space where users post photos and short videos. For e-commerce, it is an area to showcase high-quality product images, user-generated content, and the brand stories. Instagram stories, temporary 24-hour content. Stories are excellent for flash sales, behind-the-scenes looks, limited-time offers, and other ephemeral content. Instagram Reels, short, engaging videos that offer a fun and interactive way to showcase the products. Reels can be made to show product usage, reviews, or to participate in trending challenges. IGTV. For longer form videos, e-commerce businesses can use IGTV for detailed product demonstrations, interviews, or in-depth tutorials. Instagram Shop and Checkout. Users can browse and purchase the products directly from Instagram. Tagging products in posts and stories can lead the users straight to the purchase page, making the shopping experience seamless. Explore page, a space where users discover new content. Having your e-commerce content featured can significantly increase the visibility and the engagement. Instagram ads, paid content that appears in users' feeds and stories. These can be tailored to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Instagram Insights, an analytics tool that offers the data on the post performance, audience demographics, peak activity times, and much more. Strategies for e-commerce success. High quality imagery. Given the Instagram's visual nature, crisp, clear, and captivating images are paramount. Ensure the consistency in theme and style to create a cohesive brand image. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, create polls in stories, and encourage the users to tag your brand. This not only fosters a sense of community but also boosts the visibility. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage the satisfied customers to share the photos of their purchases and share these on your profile. This serves as a social proof and can be more convincing than the traditional marketing imagery. Use hashtags wisely. Create a mix of brand-specific, product-related, and trending hashtags. This improves the discoverability of your products. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with the individuals who align with your brand values. They can introduce your products to their followers, expanding your reach. Offer the exclusive deals. Use the Instagram to provide the exclusive discounts or early access sales. This incentivizes users to follow and engage with your brand. Educate and entertain. Beyond just selling, use the Instagram to inform your audience about the product usage, benefits, or industry trends. Simultaneously, ensure some content is purely for entertainment to maintain a diverse content mix. Analyze and adapt. Regularly check the Instagram insights to see what's working and what isn't. Adjust your strategy based on the data-driven insights. If I conclude that all, I would say Instagram, when used effectively, can be a massive boon for e-commerce businesses. By understanding and leveraging its features, coupled with the consistent and audience-focused strategy, e-commerce brands can create a meaningful engagement and drive significant sales. Thank you very much for listening to us. See you tomorrow.